You're on the computer a lot too.
I'm sorry?
You're on the computer a lot too.
Yeah.
You get headaches?
I do once in a while when I'm stressed.
Okay. Just relax your neck. Just get a feel for the range of motion. Just relax.
I looked at that, didn't have anything that suggesting not degenerative changes that suggest herniation, but that doesn't mean you don't. And the MRI would tell you. And, you know, the telltale sign when you want to send out the MRI or
So did you get any soft
long
tissue on the
radiated
massage
scan.
at all?
Is that new?
Yeah, I've had different massages, but it's been years.
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 There. It's a little bit more looser.
Yeah.
Can you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.